Okay guys, so welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to unbox this 1x18 diecast scale model of Toyota CHR. It is a compact SUV by Toyota, and this diecast is made by Poddy Models, and they make amazing high quality diecast models. So if you want to buy this, I'll provide the link in the description of the video. So if you are not already, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this and follow me on Instagram at miniature_automobiles. So let's get started. Okay guys, so hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, like this video, and Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.